leaders about how to start a separate conversation about the budget. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy has insisted the debt ceiling and budget and spending cuts should be discussed as one issue. The president Monday at the White House.
America is not a debt-free nation. We have never, ever failed to meet the debt.
Aaron Travers, ABC News, Washington. Going on right now on Capitol Hill, a Senate Judiciary Committee hearing on whether Congress needs to pass ethics rules for Supreme Court justices. Joaquin Brooks, president of Alliance for Justice, on the recent disclosure that Justice Clarence Thomas has been gifted with lavish vacations and other things from Texas billionaire Harlan Crow for years. When you become a public servant, we all agree that you will forsake riches while not. You may indeed be friends with millionaires and billionaires, but you don't get to share their world or the mansions in yours. Republicans say the Democrats are cherry-picking examples they have loved. First show to go off the air with late night soccer. Now that the Hollywood writers are on strike, the writers are at midnight.
And that's more than to pick up into the air, compromising the quality of air you and your family breathe. Quiver Heavy Duty Sweeper is the fast and easy way to clean your floors, with multi-stick pads and trapping on dust before it gets in the air. Just a couple minutes a day.
And dust is gone.
Quiver Heavy Duty Sweeper. Proud partner of the American Lung Association.
Part of an Illinois highway shut down by a pileup caused by a dust storm has now reopened. ABC's Stephanie Ramos on I-55 in Vernon, Illinois. The crash had started around 11 a.m. Monday after drivers were blinded by thick dust clouds. One night out into it, I couldn't hardly see at all. And it's worse, you couldn't see 20 feet, maybe at the most. At least 6 people killed, dozens injured, around 70 vehicles, cars, trucks, and dig rigs were involved. Florida lawmakers passing a bill that will allow Governor Ron DeSantis to run for president without having to resign as governor first. The FAA hoping to speed up travel up and down the East Coast by opening nearly 200 new flight paths. They will also allow planes to fly further out over the ocean and the Gulf of Mexico, cutting down on air congestion. And across the country today to thank those who taught us to read, write, and do and add and subtract. ABC's Derek Dennis reports the story.
Teacher Appreciation Day is a call to action for the National Education Association as the nation's largest labor union. The NEA says many teachers still feel disrespected and underpaid. The organization is highlighting not just the day, but Teacher Appreciation Week, talking about critical topics facing public schools and the solutions needed to ensure every student has access to high-quality, equitable, and inclusive education, regardless of family income rate or where they live. Derek Dennis, ABC News.
This is today's news.
Live and local from our studios in Santa Rosa, this is Sonoma County's Morning News on Marconi Award-winning KSRO.
Good morning. It is 8:04. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd. I'm Michelle Marquis.
And I'm Larry Olstein, the Introducer producer and editor Jeff Swillard.
And here are the top stories this morning. The Main Street Bridge in Montreal is closed after multiple fights broke out between drivers.
Brace yourself for more wet weather today.
And a mental health program for Sonoma County's Black population is accepting patient applications.
Coming up in sports, what about the Lakers? Warriors in LA meeting tonight for Game 1 of the Western Conference Semis at 7 o'clock right here on KSRO.
It's 8:05 at KSRO, and PSC Newscast on the news here is all that fun.
Thanks, Michelle. And in traffic report sponsored by calhoun.org, free mental health help today. Here's a run in Nevada, south of 137, victim vehicle opposite shoulder, slow down, stolen, continuing down. To Steel Lane, southbound heavy from just after River Road in stretches down to just past Corby. Life is uncertain. It's okay to feel stressed, anxious, worried, or frustrated. Calhoun can help. Access Calhoun's free and secure mental health resources today. Call 833-317-4673 or live chat at calhoun.org. Your next update at 8:15. Now with Sonoma County's most accurate and dependable forecast, here's Daniel Trucio.
Thank you, Paul. We do have a little bit of rain for today, mainly coming this afternoon. Possible thunderstorms and hail as well. High of 60 degrees, 55 along the coast. Wind speeds will be light. Possible rain for tonight, low 46. Could see some light rain or showers in for tomorrow, but it'll be smaller than it is for today. And then it's partly cloudy after that. Every day this week, it'll be topping out to the mid-60s.
And we have 48 degrees in Sebastopol, 49 in Rohnert Park, and 48 in Santa Rosa. Traffic on the 5, weather 6 times an hour, mornings on KSRO, where the news time is 8:06. The historic Main Street Bridge in Monterey is now fully closed to drivers. 29th due to storm damage, but in the time since, there have been reports of several fights breaking out between angry drivers. Monterey Fire Chief Steve Baxton says that drivers were traveling on a single lane from opposite directions at the same time, and that caused stalemates, traffic backups, and even some fights. One of the fights involved a driver using bug spray as a weapon. Sonoma County is now installing a temporary traffic signal at the bridge. It will be closed to all vehicle traffic in the meantime.
Sonoma County's weather's making a dramatic shift after a week of spring and even summer-like temperatures in the 80s. There's a 20% chance of thunderstorms and lightning starting at 11 o'clock this morning. Forecast hail and high 50 to 60. It's 15 degrees below normal for rain. Over the road,
exactly the plumber you'll get when you call More Home Services. A plumber you can trust. Call More Home Services right now for all your plumbing needs. Our number is 707-505-8000. Or find us online at morehomeservices.com. That's 707-505-8000 or online at morehomeservices.com.
Do you have an invention idea but don't know what to do next? Call InventHelp today. We have representatives nationwide who will explain the InventHelp process step by step. Over 10,000 patents have been secured through InventHelp's patent referral services. The InventHelp data bank includes thousands of companies who have agreed to review new ideas. We've been helping inventors since 1984. Let's help you next. Get started today.
Call 1-800-217-4380. That's 1-800-217-4380. Again, 1-800-217-4380. In business, everything your employees do impacts your brand, including what they wear. Cintas has high-performance workplace apparel for almost every job imaginable. From work shirts and pants, polos and khakis, to Oxfords or T-shirts. These clothes move, breathe, and look great. Your team gets the styles they like, you convey the image you want. And Cintas service includes weekly laundry and delivery. To learn more, visit Cintas.com. And get ready for the workday.
It is 8:12 at KSRO. It's time for a look at financial news with Steve Ritter at Merrill Lynch. And Steve, some little rumblings about the banking center this morning?
Yeah, obviously the rumor mill must be fast and furious this morning, but I'm not picking up anything really specific. But it started with bank stocks declining across the board, some as much as 3 and 4%. But that's fed into the overall market, and as a result, we're off 545 points right now. The Dow back down to 33,506. The Advanced, we've only got 340 stocks on the New York Exchange trading higher at this point. NASDAQ off 178 points at 12,031. 10-year note rallying, obviously, as stocks fell off. We're up a point and a third on the 10-year note. Gold rallying $27 at $2,019. I'm Steve Ritter at Merrill Lynch for KSRO.
Financial news at 12 and 42. Mornings on KSRO. Now with a KSRO sports update, here's Larry Olson.
Warriors and Lakers getting together tonight for Game 1 of the Western Conference semifinals. Last time the two teams met in the postseason, Klay Thompson was a one-year-old in 1991. His dad, Michael, of course, played for the Lakers. Now we're broadcasting the team. Klay, what do you think about playing the Lake Show?
I know I'm personally excited. I get to play for my father, my mother, some of my best friends, and go down to SoCal after our homestand, and it's just a dream come true. I've waited for this for 12 years.
Dubs and Lakers have combined to win 5 of the last 8 NBA titles. Game 1 tonight at 7 o'clock from Chase Center right here on KSRO. Around the league last night, Nuggets take a 2-0 series lead on the Suns with a 98-87 win. James Harden leading the 76ers past the Celtics.
It's a three. Harden's got 45. Timeout, Boston.
119-115 Philly over Boston. To baseball, Giants dropped the opener in Houston 7-3 to the Astros. Orange and Black have lost 4 straight. Two teams do it again this afternoon. A's taking on the Mariners tonight. Right now, during Staples free tech take-back rewards, members get $10 back at Staples Rewards when they recycle their tech. Ends June 3rd, limit 1 reward per month.